Okay, so Christmas has landed for the second time for the chew balls. Go and have a look at what I've done. Do need to hoover up and made a bit of a mess. Where is he? He's wandering. Oh, he's there. He's just having a little look around. So he's got a water, wheel, log cabin, food, Christmas tree, another log cabin, and some cute little treats that I found. Slide, another penguin, bowl of water. That's my favourite. It's actually a dog toy. A polar bear and the two penguins. He's got his tube. Got another sandpit there and one there. A little log cabin at the back. Just having a wander around. Well, I went for a blue and white and wood theme. He seems to be loving it. Hope you like it.